All right, I have a helicopter in front of me.
Miller traffic, LifeNet 1. Helicopter is established in a left downwind. Beam the numbers 1, 2. It's going to be left base to final, sidestepping to the west ramp, Miller.
Miller traffic, RV 980 Kilo Mike is entering the left downwind on a 45, 1-2 Millard.
Hey, helicopter coming in for 1-2. Do you guys want us to go on the runway? You can get sidestep behind us to go to the hangar, or?
Go ahead and take the runway, sir. We'll sidestep behind you for the west ramp at the hangar.
Okay, sounds good. We'll go ahead and take off runway 12, and we'll let you guys pass behind us. Thanks. 310.
Thank you, sir. Have a good flight.
You, or what's left of it, anyways.
Millard, RV 80 Kilo Mike, left downwind 1-2 Millard.
Miller traffic, LifeNet 1 is on final to the west ramp. Will remain west and south of runway 12 at all times. We'll stay clear of the runway.
500.
Millard traffic, RV 80 Kilo Mike, turning left base 1-2 Millard. Millard traffic, RV 80 Kilo Mike, turning final 1-2 Millard. Right, pushing on that left rudder pedal, bringing the nose around. We're on the glide slope, wide over red. All right, 1-2 confirmed. Approach is stabilized, full flaps. Pitch for 60.
Millard traffic says 310, turning crosswind runway 12, Millard traffic. Traffic says 310, turning downwind runway 12, Millard.
Boy, look at all that green. That's weather coming in. Millard traffic, RV 80 Kilo Mike, clear the active. Taxi, hangars Delta. Millard. Well, I'm glad I finally got this audio situation resolved.